How to fix Microsoft Word documents not opening on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your Word files launching properly again on your PC. First, right-click on the Word document that is not opening and click on Open With. From there, select Microsoft Word from the list and check if the file opens correctly that way. At this point, if it still does not open, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. After that, search for Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office in the list and click on the three dots next to it. In the next step, click on Modify or Advanced Options depending on what is available. From there, click on Repair to let Windows attempt to fix any corrupted Word installation files automatically. Once done, try opening the document again after the repair completes. Following this, if it is still not opening, go back to Installed Apps, find Microsoft Office again, and this time click on Reset to restore it to its default state. From here, keep in mind that resetting may clear certain preferences and settings within Word. At this stage, if the issue is with a specific document rather than Word itself, try opening a different Word file to check if that one opens correctly. After this, if other files open fine but one specific document does not, that file may be corrupted. Try opening it in Google Docs by uploading it to drive.google.com to see if it can be recovered that way. Keep in mind, if Word opens but shows a compatibility warning for older file formats such as .doc instead of .docx, click on Enable Editing at the top of the document to unlock and open it fully. Finally, restart your PC and try opening the Word document once more to confirm the issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Microsoft Word documents not opening on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.